Hello guys, welcome back to Techhz. Today in this video, I will tell you how to create the Amazon affiliation account. For every country, if you are creating, I'm creating in India. That's why I'm using www.amazon.in. If you belong to America, just type amazon.com. If you're Canada, Amazon CA. If you're like this, you can create extension like this. Like process is same, but you have to use different different extension. They will depend upon your country location. Now I'm scrolling down to the end of this page. Now we're in the make money with us. In this make money with us, click on a become affiliate. Just click on this button. After clicking this button, it will go to Amazon associate page. Here you can find affiliate underscore program dot amazon dot in. Now here you have to sign up just by clicking on sign up button. Just click a sign up button. You enter your name which you are creating as Amazon affiliate account. I am giving the username. So just click on sign up. After clicking sign up, you will go to the this page. If you have account, just leave username and password and log into your Amazon affiliate account. Otherwise, create a new Amazon account. Just enter your name and enter your password. Just moment. I'll copy the enter your password here. But once again you have to enter your password here and create your Amazon account. Okay, you will receive a OTP for your email ID. Just I'm going to copy the OTP. After copying OTP, you have to paste over here. Paste here and create your Amazon account. Now it will asking for a payment information. Otherwise, you can enter these thing later. I'm updating my phone number. I'm belong to and who is main contact for this account. Yeah, select any one of these and for US tax purpose you have to use US person. No, we are not from US. That's why we are not selecting US and just click on next button. Oh, it was asking for complete details. You have to fill all the details. Enter your address here. State Telangana. Enter your pin code here and click next. We fill everything. How to fill everything. Yeah, use this suggested address. We need to enter your any of your blog or any website address, so we can monetize by using those address. I have problem with some of my sites. That's why I'm giving a random website name. I'm selecting. It was asking for HTTP. Let me copy and yeah. After entering these things, you need to click next. What is your preferred associate ID? It was asking for like I gave my name. After that, write about your blog details like books. I select few categories where you're going to promote. I'm selecting all the things. Why? Because I'm like now how to drive traffic like in shopping, offline, social networking, SEO, blog. Okay. What do you utilize your website apps using generate third party? And how do you usually build links using HTML? And right now not have any traffic. How to improve? What is your primary reason for joining? To monetize my site and like Amazon said, and after entering all the details, just enter a captcha here. Like you have to enter the captcha. Just click on agree and finish. Now we successfully yeah almost able to complete. Like we have a Subbaraju 12-21 is our content ID. Like you may associate need to provide associate ID verify and account with us. Your application will be reviewed shortly. Like it will take few moments. If you enter later, tax information should be add later. Just click on later. We successfully created a Amazon affiliate account. It will take a few moments, like to few. It will take 1 to 2 days to those to approve our account. This is the simple and easiest way to create a Amazon affiliate account. So now it's time to start earning. Go to Amazon website. Now here you will get a stripe. Select any product. Just click it. We have three categories like it. If you want to directly promote your link, just copy and share wherever you want to, social, Facebook, Insta, Twitter. If you want to create a banner, like here is this big small banners to post in your website, like in article price, like a sidebar of your blog. If you want to is only image. Now we will get both image and text. Text to post it in a banner like blogs to promote separately products. Now if you want to share this product from here to social media, just click on Facebook and just click on, you can share directly to your Facebook account. By clicking Twitter, you can share this article like this product on Twitter. This is the way you can earn so much money. You can earn so much money from Amazon affiliation. I hope if you work hard, like if you create a free blog from blogspot.com, and if you start, you can easily earn like minimum 10k to 20k by working 1 to 2 hours, like 2 hours a day. It will take at least 2 months to it gets started. Why? Because like you need to put so much efforts to create a blog or YouTube. You can in different ways you can promote your channel. You can create a YouTube channel, just make a video review products and post it on your YouTube, and create a Facebook, Instagram, like sorry, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can create a communities around WhatsApp, Twitter by posting any coupons on your website, like any Facebook, Instagram, Facebook groups. Collect the audience. Collecting audience, you can daily with the in this, like in Amazon we have a daily offers, best selling products. In every day we have some deals, some deals on some today. Just click on today deals. In today deals we have a huge discounts on these offers, like I'm clicking on this Surf Excel. Just click on, basically this Surf Excel to cost, they're getting 3%, 6%. There's huge discounts on this and huge discounts on all these products. There are so many, the n number of products are there, you are getting a discount. In iPhone they're giving 9% off. In in Oppo F12 Plus they're giving 28% off. Like this you can promote any of these products, you can earn more money. This is the way you can earn money from Amazon affiliate, as well as you can earn money from Flipkart also. Okay, thank you for watching. I give value video with this. Make sure subscribe my channel and hit like button. Comment your valuable opinion. Thank you.